now we have the active installation of the bricks. Let's take a look at the possible options. Like when you click on the bricks itself, you will first see this getting started guide. These are all the official documentations like templates, features, and you can explore this on your own. And then we have these templates. We will talk about these later in the more detail. And these are all the settings, the available settings options, and custom fonts, sidebars, system information. But I wanted to show you the actual builder, how this looks like. So just click on, for let's say I'm just clicking on pages, moving this by default pages to trash. Now I'm just adding a new page. Let's say I'm calling it home. Now click on edit with bricks. So this is the complete playground. So this is the first option, that is a canvas, and on the left side you will see a panel where you can select the elements, and on the right side this is a structure panel and is the toolbar. The panel, you can see these are all the elements that you can utilize in your web design. So these are like, for example, sections, container, block, the heading, title. So these are like, for example, I'm just clicking on header, basic, trace, text, button, icon, image, and so many other available options. Like everything, almost everything is available. You just need to select and customize it according to your web design. So inside this you can see that we have this list available. So these are all available options, and you can just scroll down and see all the available options inside the elements. This is the structure panel. Inside the structure panel we have several options. First of all, let's say if we can just move the elements. For example, let's say I want to move the heading below the basic text, I can just move it. So this is very smooth. Okay. Another thing is the copy all elements. So you can copy all the elements and then paste it. Let's say I wanted to paste it, and then this just happened. So this just selected the elements, and you can move these elements from one area to another area, from one side to another brick side. Not only that, you can also remove that. You can remove, for example, let's say I want to clean this stuff, I will just click on remove all and it will remove them. So another thing is a top bar where you can save the document. Right now you can see this dot that is representing that it is not saved yet. You just click on it and this is saved. Okay, now here's a preview mode. This is a quick preview of your website, and this is the view on the front end. Add it on inside the WordPress, so it will direct you in the WordPress itself where you can put the changes or anything. So this is the structure panel. This structure panel you can hide it, even hide it and show it. And this is the history revisions versions. So from here you can get back to any of the revisions. So for example, let's say I can move it from this one to this situation to this one and apply the changes, and then it will revert back to my changes. So and now here is the redo and undo options. You can see your website on different screen size, like from on desktop it is page breakpoint, on the tablet portrait, on landscape, and on the portrait mobile portrait. So you get the idea, right? And then you can reload the canvas. If something that you found that is not reflection, then just reload it. And then here these are all the elements, and from here you can get the help from the documentation that is available. Not only that, but you can contact them as well, and you can find all the shortcut keys from here. And here you can see that these are the settings, and we will explore this in detail in the later video. And then there are templates, there are pages that are available, or you can create it directly, and you can just move from pages to pages as well. And then we have these custom CSS classes which we'll explore later, and then we have states or pseudo elements. So, and we have so many other options available. Let's see in the next tutorial how you're gonna utilize it in your website development workflow.